Welcome to Dzylo, an all-in-one ERP platform built for interior design and construction businesses. From lead management and quotations to project execution, Dzylo helps you manage your entire business from one centralized platform. The dashboard provides every user with a quick overview of their daily activities. Employees can check in and check out for attendance, log field visits, view their leave balance, monitor assigned projects, upcoming tasks, overdue tasks, and recent expenses, all from one place. It serves as a personalized workspace that keeps every team member organized throughout the day. Now, let's move to the Sales CRM. The Lead Insights dashboard gives you a complete overview of your sales pipeline. You can track the total number of leads received, converted, and lost, along with their current status. View weekly or monthly lead trends, identify your top performing lead sources, and analyze lead distribution across different cities or regions to better understand your business performance. Next is lead management. This is where all your customer inquiries are managed. Your sales team can update lead statuses, assign leads to team members, schedule follow-ups, and maintain complete customer information, including project details, budget, location, and customer requirements. Since every status is customizable, you can configure the sales process according to your business workflow. Once a lead is qualified, you can create quotations directly from the same lead. The Dzylo allows you to create detailed quotations area-wise or room-wise by adding products, services, quantities, pricing, discounts, taxes, summary, payment plan, bank details, terms, and conditions. You can also create your own quotation templates, making future quotations much faster to prepare. For even greater efficiency, the Dzylo includes AI-powered quotation generation. Simply provide a prompt describing the client's requirements, and the AI automatically generates a structured quotation, saving valuable time and reducing manual effort. Managing customer communication is equally important. With the follow-up module, your sales team can schedule reminders to ensure that no customer inquiry is ever missed. Managers can monitor team performance by reviewing completed calls, meetings, and follow-ups. Through the Dzylo dialer integration, every business call is automatically logged, giving complete visibility into your team's communication history and overall productivity. Once a lead is converted, it seamlessly moves into project execution. The Project Insights dashboard provides a complete overview of all ongoing projects. You can monitor project stages, view assigned project managers, track project progress, and understand the current status of every project within your organization. Opening any project brings you to the project dashboard. This dashboard provides a centralized summary of the entire project, including financial information, milestones, procurement updates, site activities, documents, and project progress. Everything related to the project is available in one place, allowing your execution team to stay informed throughout the project lifecycle. Let's explore the project modules. The Design and Documentation module allows your designers to upload drawings, layouts, 3D renders, presentations, BOQs, and every other project document. Clients can review these files, provide comments, request revisions, and approve designs directly from the platform, making collaboration simple and transparent. Next is project planning. Plan every stage of project execution by creating scopes, defining individual tasks, assigning responsibilities, setting dependencies, and monitoring progress. You can easily track tasks, that are yet to start, currently in progress, or already completed. To simplify planning even further, Dzylo also provides AI-powered smart planning that automatically generates project plans based on your requirements. Now, let's look at financial planning. Here, you can define complete payment schedules for your clients. Create multiple contracts based on milestones or import payment schedules directly from quotations. Along with customer payment planning, you can also define vendor payment schedules, ensuring complete control over project cash flow from beginning to end. Managing project expenses is equally simple. Record every expense by selecting the project, vendor, payment category, and payment method. You can also maintain fund entries, generate payment receipt, and keep accurate financial records throughout the project. Next is site progress. Keep your entire team updated by uploading site progress along with images and daily work updates. This creates a centralized project history that helps both internal teams and management stay informed about execution progress. For labor management, Dzylo allows you to maintain labor records, contractor information, attendance, contracts, and labor reports. This helps project managers monitor workforce allocation and execution performance across multiple projects. Now let's move to procurement. Dzylo follows a structured procurement workflow. The process starts with raising a material request, which can be initiated either by the project team or the site manager. Once approved, you can generate requests for quotation, compare vendor pricing, and convert them into purchase orders. After materials are delivered and accepted, they are automatically reflected in the project inventory, providing complete traceability from request to delivery. The inventory module maintains complete visibility of every material used in the project. You can monitor requests, RFQs, purchase orders, deliveries, stock availability, and inventory movements from one centralized location. Once a project is completed and handed over, Dzylo continues to support your customers through the warranty management module. Customers can raise warranty requests, while your service team can assign technicians, monitor request status, maintain service history, and ensure timely resolution of post-project issues. This helps you provide a seamless after-sales experience and build long-term customer relationships. Now, let's look at vendor management. Maintain a complete database of all your vendors, monitor their payment history, outstanding balances, procurement activities, and project associations. Now, let's explore what Dzylo has to offer for designers. First, we have Imagino, our AI-powered design assistant that can transform your 2D images into realistic 3D visualizations and generate high-quality renders in minutes, saving hours of manual work. Powered by Google's Nano Banana model, Imagino helps you quickly visualize ideas, experiment with design variations, and deliver stunning concepts to your clients faster. The Inspiration module allows your designers to organize and manage design inspirations that can also be shared with clients whenever required. With the Virtual Tour module, you can upload 3D renders and immersive walkthroughs, allowing clients to visualize their spaces before project execution begins. Dzylo also simplifies human resource management. Employees can mark attendance, apply for leave, submit work from home requests, and log field visits directly from the platform. Administrators can review, approve, or reject requests while maintaining complete attendance records for the organization. The User Management module allows administrators to manage all users from one place, create users, assign departments, define roles, and configure permissions using role management to ensure that every employee has access only to the features relevant to their responsibilities. Let's move to finance. The finance module helps you maintain complete financial control over your organization. Manage petty cash expenses, project payments, customer receipts, vendor payments, and account receivables from one centralized dashboard. This ensures complete visibility into your organization's cash flow and outstanding payments. For business insights, the Dzylo offers comprehensive reporting. Generate lead reports, payment reports, client reports, user reports, labor reports, and many other reports to monitor business performance and make data-driven decisions. To help every customer get started quickly, the Dzylo provides regular live training sessions along with a complete library of recorded training videos. This ensures that every team member can learn the platform at their own pace while receiving continuous support whenever required. That's how the Dzylo brings your entire interior design and construction business onto one platform.